Your power tool uses a basic toggle switch that breaks the circuit on just one wire. After thousands of cycles and years of use, the switch will wear out. Testing for a bad switch can be easily done using a multimeter. Replacing the on-off switch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear motor cover. Now remove the cord clamp. Now I can pull the wiring from the housing. Now I can remove the switch. The short wire is connected to this terminal with what's called a trapdoor connector. To release it, I insert a pin next to the wire. Now I can pull the wire away from the connector. The longer wire will pull away from the field. Now I can install the new switch. First I'll reconnect the lead to the field, and then the short lead to the terminal. I just press it in place. Now I can reinstall the components back into the housing. I'll align the speed control switch with the housing, place the cord relief and cord back into the housing, as well as the rear cap. I'll secure the cord in place with the cord clamp. Now I'll realign the switch. The wires should go to the back of the housing. As I do this, I'll place the actuator over the top of the switch. I'll make sure that the wires are tucked into their tabs, and then I'll place the terminal just behind the switch. I'll reinstall the other half of the housing and secure it with the screws. And that's all it takes to install a new switch on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.